Hello, little learners. Welcome to ESL Express. Today, we're going to learn some fun food words. Are you ready? Let's talk about yummy and yucky foods. First, we have this yummy red fruit. It's apple. It's sweet and crunchy. Can you say apple? Great job! Now let's try another food. Next, we have a yellow fruit. What is it? Yes, a banana. It's sweet and soft. Can you say banana? Yum! Look at this. It's a big slice of pizza. It's cheesy and salty. What do you think? Yummy or yucky? I think it's yummy. What about you? Here is a crunchy vegetable. It's a carrot. It's sweet and crunchy. Do you like carrots? I do. Next, we have an egg. Eggs are yummy too. They can be soft or hard. What do you think? Yummy or yucky? This is a loaf of bread. It's soft and a little salty. Bread goes well with butter. Yummy, right? Here's some rice. Rice is soft and can be a little salty or sweet. It's yummy, right? What do you think about rice? Last, we have a glass of milk. Milk is creamy and yummy. It's great with cookies. Yummy or yucky? Let's play a fun game. I'll show you a food and you guess what it is. Ready? What is this? Yes, it's an apple. It's sweet and crunchy. Here's the next one. What food is yellow and soft? That's right. It's a banana. It's sweet. Look at this. What is it? Yes, it's a pizza. It's cheesy and salty. Here's a crunchy vegetable. What's this? Correct! A carrot. It's sweet and crunchy. What food is white and can be soft or hard? Yes, it's an egg. Which food is soft and yummy with butter? That's right, it's bread. What food is soft and comes in a bowl? Yes, it's rice. And finally, what is this drink that's white and creamy? Correct, it's milk. Great job, everyone. You did amazing. Which food was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.
ESL Express!